The 2025 Tiggo 7 Plus is equipped with 1.6T power plus 8155 chip. As the annual facelift model, the front face has been significantly changed. The flat waterfall-style grille design has been cancelled and replaced with a dot. The Matrix Rain screen-shaped grille is equipped with a 1.6T plus 7 DCT power combination and a built-in Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip, and is expected to be officially launched later this year. For reference, the current Tiggo 7 Plus is expected to start selling at 99,900 yuan. In terms of appearance, the new Tiggo 7 Plus has undergone major changes to the front face. First, it cancelled the flat waterfall-style grille design of the 2023 model and replaced it with a rain screen-style grille. The Matrix chrome plating, which increases the visual impact. Second, it changes the shape of the grille. The new model is equipped with an octagonal grille design, making it look fuller and rounder. It is currently equipped with a double L-shaped headlight design, and has been replaced by a rectangular air intake grille. The D-pillar line is rising and the side lines of the body are smooth. The flat waistline is matched with blackened side skirts and wheel eyebrows, which effectively enhances the sporty feel of the new car. The trim panel under the door is leaning towards the roof and the roof is slightly lowered. The overall center of gravity is shifted backwards, and the body size is expected to remain the same as the current model with a length of 4530/1862/1695 mm, width and height. The biggest change at the rear of the car is that the license plate position is shifted to the trunk lid and a hidden exhaust is adopted. In addition, the shape of the taillight group is adjusted and new and thinner transition-type taillights are used. Other brake lights are also adjusted in detail, making the overall appearance visually better. The interior is consistent with the model, using a flat-bottom steering wheel with an electronic gear knob design. The flat center console is equipped with a dual-screen design, a hanging structure. A built-in Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip or Lion 5.0 Internet of Vehicles will be upgraded. The central armrest will accommodate multiple physical buttons and will be equipped with operating buttons. In terms of configuration, it will optimize the current configuration and add functions such as 540-degree panoramic views, electric tailgate, soundproof glass and interior ambient lighting. In terms of power, the new Tiggo 7 Plus will be equipped with a power system consisting of a 1.6T engine plus 7 DCT transmission with a maximum power of 145 kilowatts. For reference, the current model is equipped with high and low power 1.5T engines with a maximum power of 115/135 kW, respectively, matched with CVT/7 DCT gearboxes. The 1.6T version is equipped with a 1.6 plus 7 DCT power combination. The maximum power is 145 kilowatts.